Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to center text across cells without merging in Excel. Normally if we want to center a text across cells, we may need to apply the merge and center feature to merge cells and put the text center. But in this video I will show you a way of how to center text across cells without merging cells. So let's begin. First, select the selection which you want to center text across. Right click and click on Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, select the option Alignment, and in the horizontal section, select the option Center Across Selection and click OK, and the text has been centered across the selection, as you can see. So this is the very simple method to center text across cells without merging. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.